Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make soundboard for Discord. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to go on your server and then hit on this arrow. Now go to the server settings and click on Soundboard. Now click on upload sound and browse your sound from your device. Okay, once it will open, then you can trim it from moving this arrow. You can write sound name over here and you can set the emoji from here. Adjust the volume from here and then click on upload. Once you will click on upload, then your soundboard will be added into your Discord. So that's it guys, how to make soundboard for Discord. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.